Welcome back to PowerBI automation, and we are using external tool for automation in PowerBI. In our previous video we saw how to work with that in tabulator. In today's video we're going to see how to work with Bravo. Again, I'm taking the old data what we have already with us, and in this I'm going to continue it. If you missed this particular video yesterday, please go back to your Insta page or YouTube page or my LinkedIn page. You will see this video uploaded for your references. After creating a tabulator, I'm about to run the Bravo automation for our list. Again, when I go back to the external tool, I have installed Bravo already. If you want to know more about it, I've also added a small reels in my Insta page. I will add those links at the bottom of our YouTube channel, plus in the Insta page you will see that 2-3 days ago. So let's see how we're going to work with the Bravo tool. And Bravo tool allows you to create time intelligent function pretty easily, but there is a catch when we are dealing with that. You have to make sure your date hierarchy does not exist in your system. So I have only one table in here, so removing date hierarchy is pretty straightforward here. I don't want to create a calendar table separately. If I want to do this directly, so I'm going to place the cursor in the date. I'll go to file, I'll go to option settings, I'll go for the option button here, and then in the current file loaded, I'm going to uncheck the time intelligent function out of the equation here. The moment I do that, when I give an OK, my date hierarchy runs away from here. The reason why I'm removing it is if I want to run the date inside the Bravo automation tool, I need to have the date component as a non-time intelligent functionality, and it should not have any date hierarchy in it. So I'm going to go back to my external tool again. Let me jump back to my Bravo automation. When I click it, that's going to open the Bravo dataset for you. Once I get the Bravo, you have to see that the manage date option is active. If that is not active, that means your date is still in the time intelligent function format, so which is not right for us. So once you go down to that point, I'm going to place the cursor here, and then I'm going to just preview the changes that I'm going to do, and that's going to create a date table separately for me, plus it's going to give me my time intelligent function automatically for the data that I've chose. Now when I apply it, that's going to load the data completely, and once the data is loaded, you will get an information saying that your model is updated successfully here. When I give an OK, you will see that. Now I'm going to just drag down to the right hand side to check whether I have it. Yes, the moment I move it down, you can see the time intelligent functions are popping up in my PowerBI desktop. In the earlier version of Bravo, we have to run them twice. On the first, in this edition, I don't think that we have any situations here, so it's allowing me to do the rest of them. In the tabulator, we saved it earlier. In here, I don't want to save them, so I'm going to just close this Bravo editor, and when I go down here, whatever the calculation that I've created earlier, those are all available for growth, and growth for the full period, moving annual growth, and then to-date growth, and then today totals are all available here. And I'm seeing 40 formulas on each and every dimension. Now I literally have around 240 different DAX functions in under 15 minutes time. I've created that earlier yesterday when I did with that with a tabulator, and you can also see a date table coming up on top. So these two dimensions are automatically created from my Bravo application. This allows us to do things a bit better. You can do a lot more than what I'm showing you right now. I'm just giving you an introduction on two different applications altogether. Yesterday I gave the tabulator, today I'm giving you Bravo. Hope you have learned something new. If you're happy to learn more about the other tools that we're going to do it, I'm going to add more videos on a daily basis. So every day you will get a small snippet video or a spark shot video, which will probably run around 7 to 10 minutes time. Do follow me around, do share with all your friends, and try to subscribe this channel, and you can get more information on DAX automation. I will also gonna start a PowerBI Scratch to the developing component here. So let's see how much we're going to take care. We'll start working with the external tools furthermore. So I'll show you how to work with DAX Studio. Again, I don't want to download a separate DAX Studio. I'll show that how I'm going to use the DAX Studio inside the PowerBI itself. If you also have a DAX Studio separately as an add-on, that will make our life a little more easier. Thank you so much, guys. Happy learning.